Oh, hello. It is good to be here. So, wait a minute. Who are you? Oh, the new friend. So, my name is Zimon. It's nice to meet you. And this is my... Oh, I forgot about... Oh, Bannet. Bannet, it was outside. And guess what? It's a brand new of 4th of July today. Come on. You want to come to the outside? You want to see how awesome the 4th of July with me? You do? Great. Come on.